Hi, this is WordPress Holder, the Ukrainian guy who will help you with your website. You can contact me by email in the description under this video. Today, I want to show you how to add product image, how to change it, how to remove it, and how to create the product gallery. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. Okay, so you should click Edit Product, or you can go to the WordPress dashboard, go to the Products, All Product, and click Edit Product there. So we are in our backend. Now you should scroll and see product image. If you don't see this, make sure in the screen options the checkbox is enabled for the product image and product gallery. Okay. You can click remove. You can click set product image to add. For example, this broccoli. Okay, it's PNG, so let's add this one. Now you can click on it and edit alt text title, which will appear on hover, and caption description. This is for SEO. Okay, here is product gallery. Just click on it and select your product gallery's images. If you want in book, just click, I'm not sure how to do it on Mac. On Windows, it's click Control and choose the items you want to edit. This PNG it doesn't need. And click Add. Now you can see the product gallery images are in right place. In the same place, you can click on it. Oh, sorry, you should click Add Product Image and click on the image. And here you can write title and alt text for SEO. To remove product image from a gallery, you should click this small icon. Okay, click Update. Let's see how it works on the front end in my theme. I use default theme, so it looks weird, but now you can see the gallery works great. So I hope my video works for you. It helped you. If you want to say thank you, you can leave some donation in the comment area under this video. Sorry. In the all information for it, you can find in the description area under this video. Yeah, right. If it didn't work for you, actually it worked. If you have some issues with your gallery, if you want to change look, if you want to make it all the same size, you can contact me by email in the description. And I hope it all works for you. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.